Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vastness of the cosmos, about the countless stars and planets out there, and the sheer power of the universe? It's awe-inspiring, isn't it? But it also makes you realize how fragile our own planet is, because out there among the beauty lurk forces that could spell our end. Would it be a natural disaster, a nuclear war, or perhaps an inevitable cosmic event? In this video, we explore the most terrifying scenarios that could lead to the complete destruction of Earth and how they could impact human civilization. Now, you might be thinking, an asteroid like in the movies. And you know what? You're not wrong to think that. Hollywood loves an asteroid disaster flick. But here's the thing, the threat is real. 66 million years ago, an asteroid about 10 kilometers wide slammed into Earth, and we all know what happened to the dinosaurs. That impact unleashed unimaginable devastation, massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and enough heat to ignite wildfires across the globe. The dust and debris blocked out the sun, plunging the planet into a long, dark, freezing impact winter. Thousands of asteroids are zipping around near Earth right now, and while scientists are tracking them, there's always a chance one could be on a collision course with us. Now let's move on to another fiery threat, supervolcanoes. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill volcanoes. We're talking about monstrous eruptions with the power to unleash unimaginable fury. One of these sleeping giants lies beneath Yellowstone National Park in the United States. It last erupted over 600,000 years ago, blanketing much of North America in March. If it did erupt, it would be catastrophic. We'd be talking about a global volcanic winter, widespread crop failures, and mass extinctions. The ash and toxic gases would block out the sun, causing temperatures to plummet. The air would become thick with poisonous gases, making it difficult to breathe. Of all the threats to our planet, this one is perhaps the most sobering: nuclear war. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is a very real, very present danger. We humans, with our capacity for both innovation and destruction, have created weapons capable of unimaginable devastation. In a full-blown nuclear war, cities would be vaporized in an instant. Millions would perish in the initial blasts, and the survivors would envy the dead. The nuclear firestorms would unleash massive amounts of soot and smoke into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun and plunging the planet into a nuclear winter. Temperatures would plummet, crops would fail, and widespread famine would follow. The ozone layer would be severely damaged, leaving us exposed to the sun's deadly rays. On Chapter 4, the slow burn, the perils of climate change. While the previous scenarios are sudden and catastrophic, climate change is a more insidious threat. It's a slow-moving disaster that's already happening. The Earth's climate is changing, and we're seeing the effects all around us, from more extreme weather events to rising sea levels. But here's the thing. Climate change isn't just about hotter summers and melting ice caps. It's about disrupting the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. And if we don't act now to reduce our carbon emissions, the consequences will be catastrophic. Chapter 5. When machines turn on their makers, the AI uprising. Now, let's delve into the realm of science fiction, or is it artificial intelligence? It has the potential to revolutionize our world, but it also comes with inherent risks. Imagine a world where AI systems become so advanced that they surpass human intelligence and capabilities. Chapter 6. Earth's magnetic field, our silent protector, fails. You might not realize it, but we are constantly bombarded by harmful radiation from the sun. Luckily, we have a secret weapon, Earth's magnetic field. It acts like a giant shield, deflecting most of this radiation away from us. But what if that shield were to weaken or, even worse, disappear? Well, it wouldn't be pretty. Without our magnetic field, we'd be exposed to the full brunt of the sun's radiation. Chapter 7. The unknown. Unknowns. Dangers. We haven't even imagined. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and we humans are just beginning to understand its complexities. As we delve deeper into the realms of science and technology, we inevitably encounter the unknown, and with the unknown comes the potential for unintended consequences. What if, in our quest for knowledge, we accidentally unleash a force we can't control? Ultra, can we save the future? So, there you have it. 7 ways our planet could meet its demise. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? But don't despair. Just because these threats exist doesn't mean we're doomed. We humans are a resourceful species with an uncanny ability to overcome challenges. No matter the scenario, we still have a chance to survive if we take action. Now, the question for you, which scenario do you think is the most likely, and do you believe humanity will survive?